Nana wants to do, though, NA West today. We'd need to find someone for NA West, but it's like 2 till 5 AM in the morning. I think there might be better to try and get to. For over 1,000 hours, really. What, this year or just generally? I've watched Oatly for 650 hours this year. Storm Sickness is in comp, yeah. 2020, really? Oh wow, okay. I think I've only streamed like 1,300 hours or something. Don't know, really. Wow. Thank you guys. Doing a triple edit. I can't actually do a triple edit. No! Player there! Oh, it's only going to give me like 1% or something. Do I want to run duos? No. It's not worth. You go up less percentage. And also, I don't actually know you. Yeah, 1% I went up only. Yeah. Well, blame Epic for coming up with such a stupid system. To rank up. Anyway, I wouldn't. I'd have stopped playing Fortnite if I just done 1v1s. 1v1s for more than half an hour. I would give up.